Well, laundry is arguably the most tedious chore, but it really can be a lot more simple. Moore's organizing expert, Vicki Norris, is here, and you're bringing us some laundry solutions we can all take home.
Absolutely, because you know, laundry is such a stressor for families. It piles up everywhere in the house. So I've got some great strategies I want to share today, Stephanie, and they're from our own professional organizing team's own homes.
Okay.
And so we've all contributed ideas here of things that you might not think about when it comes to laundry.
Okay. First, let's go into consolidating hampers.
Well, first I want to talk about my own laundry room.
Okay, tell me about that.
I have a picture here of my own laundry room, and what I want to point out is that I have these gym baskets, and I have storage in the gym baskets because a lot of laundry rooms are going to offer that upper cabinet, and I didn't have that option in my laundry room. And so laundry rooms tend to be a receptacle for the rest of the house. And so what we do is we store everything there. We store paper bags, we store electronics, we store candles, vases, everything you can imagine. And so what you want to do when you're thinking about that storage space in your laundry room is consider adjacent spaces. So my laundry room is right next to my kitchen, and so what I do is I have overflow kitchen and household items in those gym baskets. So that's the first tip, is really think through where your laundry room is near and optimize your storage.
I really want to come to your house one of these days to see that. But okay, moving along, consolidating hampers.
Yes, okay, easy little tip here. Instead of giving everybody their hamper, as you can see, here is a wall of hampers. This lives between our bedrooms, and we have darks, reds, lights, and whites, and all of us flow into these four baskets. Then anytime you want, you can grab the reds basket and go do a load of reds. So it works out beautifully to just simplify and consolidate your hampers.
Ready to go. You don't have to sort. Accidentally have that red sock with your whites.
Right.
Not good. Okay, well, what about optimizing wall space?
Okay, so one of our organizers lives in a tiny little bungalow, and she hangs her laundry baskets on the wall. I think this is brilliant. Number one, you won't get the pile up. You can do more frequent, smaller loads, and it's right there at eye level. You can't miss it.
You can't overload it like I was saying I do. I wait too long. Okay, concealing eyesores.
Okay.
That stresses you out, right? When you see
I know.
all that
Well, you go into a laundry room and it can just look dumpy. This is a makeover that one of our organizers did, and a lot of times people will do this. They'll put all of this junk on top of the washer and dryer if there's a shelf available, and she just put this brilliant tension rod with a curtain and concealed that eyesore. I love this idea. It's so simple to do, and it makes it a more streamlined, lovely space.
I just love the curtain rod. That is just one of those things that works so well.
I know. It's easy
simple.
and simple.
Yeah, exactly. And finally, create a donation depot.
Every laundry room needs this. This is where you take that shirt out of the dryer and you go, oh, I guess I won't be wearing that again. It's the, you know, size of a child. So you need a little charity bag for your donations, or a basket. I keep also a bag in my laundry room for hand-me-downs to friends. So whether you use a basket or bags, you need to have a little depot in that laundry space where you can easily prune and move things along to others.
I need to do that because I hold on to them. I'm like, maybe I'll wear this amazing sweater that is now far too tiny for me. And you feel better about it.
Yeah.
Stick it right in the donation.
Well, and it keeps things flowing to just have a good system right there in the laundry space where you're going to bump into those outgrown clothes.
All right, Vicki Norris, always love having you in. Thank you.
Thank you.